welcome back to my channel. Do you guys know what today is? Today is the first day of fall. Oh my gosh, I have been waiting for this day all year long. This is my favorite season, my favorite time of year. I love the weather and flannels and sweaters and hay rides and pumpkin spice, everything. Although I don't drink pumpkin spice lattes from Starbucks, so I'm not that basic, right? Anyway, it is my favorite time of year. To celebrate this special day and to commemorate the first day of the season, I have put together a fall tour home decor. No. It's fall home decor tour. Fall home decor tour. Fall home decor tour. Try saying that 5 times fast. Fall home decor tour. Okay, so I decorated my house for fall, basically is what it is, and I would like to show you guys around and show you guys what I did to my house. I am so pumped. This is the first time I was able to decorate for fall, and I am loving every single piece of my decorations. So I really hope you guys like it too. Let's get into it. my house. I really hope you like the way that I decorated it. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Basically, everything that I got was from Christmas Tree Shop and TJ Maxx, and they had some great stuff for some great prices. I might have gone a little overboard, but hey, it's fall. It's my favorite season, so why not? And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks, guys. Happy fall!